Welcome to today's series lesson. Today, we are going to look at the veneration and communication to ancestors and spirits. Thanks a lot for subscribing. What is veneration? Veneration refers to the respect and honor accorded to the spirits and the ancestors. Ways in which spirit and ancestors are venerated: pouring libations, naming children after them, praying to God through them, honoring their wishes, respecting and protecting the community culture, addressing them by their proper names, inviting them to social functions, teaching children about them, by protecting the community's land from invasion or destruction, maintaining their graves, incorporating them in community social functions, consulting them through religious specialists on community matters, building shrines for them, making sacrifices and offerings to appease them. How Christians show respect to God. How Christians show respect to God. They set aside the day of worship, set aside specific places for worship, give offerings to God, do not mention the name of God in vain. They live exemplary lives. They pray to God. They sing and dance for God. They take care of the environment. They depend on God for sustenance. They respect religious leaders. They help the needy. Ways in which people communicate with spirits: through prayers, by sacrificing to them, by invoking their names, singing and dancing to them, through divinations, through burning incense for them, giving offering to them. Information revealed to the living by the ancestors: how to find lost property, giving warning on an impending danger, the promise of blessings on a given family or a clan. Ancestors may make a demand from the living: the cure of a deadly disease, the causes of impotence or infertility, the cheating or unfaithful or adulterous partner, the cause of disability in society. Ways in which mediums or divinities became spirit possessed. Ways in which mediums, divinities, or Africans became spirit possessed: sitting quietly alone in a place, by dancing, clapping hands, falling in a trance, abdominal deep sleep, by sleepwalking, by talking to oneself. How traditional African communities prevented calamities before they happened: maintaining good relations with God and the world of spirits, strict observance of taboos and customs, punishing wrongdoers, rewarding good deeds, reconciling warring parties, banishing evil people from society, educating children to abide by social norms, appeasing God and the Spirit with sacrifices. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.